Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today I am doing a giveaway for my US subscribers, but first I have news and why I haven't posted in I think like 2 weeks. So I live in Orange County and my rent is really high. It's pretty much the same as paying a mortgage if I buy a house, and I've been looking and the prices are ridiculous here. A condo, not even a house, a condo with no backyard is $800,000. That's insane. So my news is, if I move to a state that has no state tax, I can save up a lot of money and also on rent, because I looked up and in Texas, the same kind of apartment I'm renting is $1,000 less a month. So I can save at least $12,000 just on rent in 1 year. In 2 years, even more, double that. And also on state tax, which is also ridiculously high. And then hopefully by then, the prices will drop on houses so I can come back and buy something. So my news is that I am moving states soon, in a couple of months, like 3 months-ish. Got a lot of packing up to do, but... So, the giveaway. I tried to do the giveaways to be open for at least a week so that everyone gets a chance to enter, because I'm not on YouTube every single day. And I'm sure a lot of you guys are the same. You're not on YouTube every single day. So if I made the giveaways like 3 day long, it's very likely then that most of you will miss it, which I don't want. I want everyone to have the equal amount of chance to win. And for the last 2 weeks, I've been organizing the things that I've already opened in the haul videos. Now I do still have about 112 packages of unopened craft supply for the haul videos. Yeah, it's a lot, I know. It's too much. So I've been organizing the stuff that I have already opened. I found so many duplicates, and there is not enough time for me to do all of them in a giveaway before my move, because I'm only getting like one medium-sized container and it's not gonna fit in there, and there's a lot. These are the die cuts I found in a week. These are all duplicates. All of these are duplicates. And this is not everything. There's still another whole... What you doing? There's a whole nother shelf of duplicates over there I need to get rid of fast. And look over here. You see these two? These are also all duplicates. Those are stamps. Many of you have suggested that I sell the duplicates, but I didn't think that was a good idea because I would prefer to give it away, but I need to get rid of these fast. So what I did is don't worry, I'm also gonna be doing giveaways. So giveaways is not gonna stop. But a lot of the stuff I'm gonna try to sell on Etsy. So I made an Etsy account, link in the description, and I'm putting 4 stamps in one. And I categorize them, the duplicates. I put them in categories, like there's Christmas one, animal one, like cat, butterfly, vintage, and other stuff. I have a bunch more. I only put up a few listings yet, but there will be more. Die cuts too. There's a lot of them, and some stamps even have multiple duplicates. I know. And these are just the packages I opened. There's plenty of more I haven't opened yet. So I think selling them would give anyone an opportunity who wants these for a fairly cheap price, and then possibly not win the giveaways. Then you guys could go and buy similar stuff on my Etsy. The prices I put it for about as much as I bought it for, but a little bit cheaper. And there's also shipping because they usually weigh almost a pound, so that's like a lot. When I send the giveaways, when someone wins the giveaway, It usually weighs a pound, so I pay around like $6 for shipping, depending on where the person lives. So yeah, I put up some of the extra ones on an Etsy account. If anyone is interested to buying my duplicates that I just really don't need, I need to get rid of them fast. It's linked down below. Feel free to check out, browse. If you don't like it, that's totally fine. I'm still gonna do giveaways. If you only want to enter the giveaways, go ahead. But if anyone wants to buy some of the duplicates I have, here's your chance. In case you have not won anything yet, then this is like a secure way to for sure getting something. Yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. There's a lot of stuff. You guys want to see some? These ones I have not put up, but there's pretty much like, this is the same, not the same, this one's butterfly. Ooh, and this is the frame, little thing. So yes, I will slowly be putting these up on Etsy, but then again, I'm still gonna be, ooh, that's like cute. But I'm slowly also gonna be doing it on giveaways, a ton of stuff. It's a whole little shop. It's a milkshake stand. Clock. I mean, you guys, I have a lot. I'm literally scared to open the other packages. Oh, this is cute. You see, these ones are the new ones from the haul videos that I have not even taken out of the package yet to organize. Also duplicate. So there is a ton, and these have not been stamped, so they're brand new. So yeah, coffee and a little tea thing. So yeah, if you're interested in just quickly getting them instead of entering a giveaway, there's a link down below where you can actually buy some of my duplicates. That is all. Let's start the giveaway. If you're new here, the rules are for my giveaways are super simple. Somewhere in the video I'm gonna ask you a question, and all you have to do is answer in the comments down below. Now this is a giveaway for my US watchers. So yeah, if you live in the United States, please feel free to enter. Shipping internationally is ridiculously high right now. I sent a small package. I don't have anything similar size, but it was about like the size of this, and it was just a bubble envelope. It's $26. So international shipping is really high right now, and not in my experience because I'm trying to move and save money. But anyways, that's the rules. And then on this date, the YouTube random video picker will select one winner for this giveaway. Now, if you have this idea that maybe I should do more giveaways at the same time, I tried when I went to Turkey, I think last year. I did 6 giveaways like all at once, and the first one did really well. It had a lot of people entering, but the rest of them somehow got like pushed under the algorithm or something, and there was not a whole lot of people entering it, which is fine. But I don't know, I like to think that more people get the chance to enter and then win. That'd be nice, you know. And if you won before, feel free to enter again. Okay, look, I'm gonna stop talking now. Let's start this giveaway. All right, so first up, this came from a big booklet of stickers, regular stickers, and here is 3 sheets. I don't need it, so maybe you could use it. And then a cutting die. It's pretty big. I think it's about 3.5 inches, almost. It's like a mandala. I love mandalas, they're so beautiful. A Christmas stamp. Everyone loves a Christmas stamp. I still have a lot that I have from last year. And then, ooh, this is so cute. I love this one. I do have more duplicates of this too. Cats. Who loves cats? So cute. Cinco de Mayo. So it is perfect because Cinco de Mayo is coming up. And I also have something else for another holiday. Then we have a washi. I think these were gifts because I did receive a bunch of these for some reason. It's unopened and it has like the plastic seal on it, so I'm not gonna open it. So it's brand new. And then we have this one. It's French, but it has cute little bunnies and animals. That's good for Easter. But I have something else that's coming up. Stencil. Star stencil. I love stencils. You can get so creative with it. I even do what is that, molding paste over it, and then it leaves really good texture in the back. This I really love because of the edges, the corner edges. Those like go everywhere. You can put it in a card, on a journal, on a tag. Yes. Then we have this one. I do like these because you can play with the colors. Then you can put them on top of each other. This in the background, and this you can heat emboss on top of it, or you can heat emboss this one on top of this one. And then we also have sentiments. Good size, really good size. Mother's Day. This is a chicken, a mama chicken with her little chickens. And it says Happy Mother's Day. So, you know, that's perfect for this upcoming Mother's Day. Alright, and then another die. This one I like for the frame. It is super cute if you're gonna do tags. A lot of people do tags for selling their jewelry. A lot of people have like a little shop in a flea market or the farmer's market, and then you need tags. You can make your cute tags with it, and it has the frame with hearts, so that is perfect for jewelry if that's what you need to do with it. But other than that, also really cute for a card to make a little window. And then that thing in the middle with the hearts, you can take that off. Then we have a more like a vintage stamp with bugs. Bugs and flies. I think these look amazing in junk journals. And junk journals is the easiest craft you can do. You just put things together that you like and they match. And then you can play with the colors too. Okay, my question is, oh, clouds. 3 sides of clouds. I'm sorry about the car noise from the back. The window's open. Okay, so my question is gonna be super random, but I need some kind of question so that the YouTube picker can select somebody just so because you typed in something. My question is, what did you have for lunch today? Or what are you planning to have for lunch today if you're watching this video early in the morning? That's it. What did you eat for lunch? This is an owl with is that supposed to be a moon? I don't think so, but it has like the little trees in the middle. Beautiful. Big one. And we have 2 more. First is these leaves and the little stick and little flowers that you can color. But there's also a heart that's separated. Cute. What I like to do with these leaves is I get the design paper for scrapbook that already has some kind of design on it, and then I cut it out on there so the leaf has a design already, and you don't have to color at all. And the last one for this giveaway is this one with dresses. I think it's kind of like wedding dresses, but it also could be prom dresses. It says me and my little black dress right here, but these are not little black dresses. I also really like the sentiments on it. Dare to be different, dress up days. Very cute. It's your day to shine. I think it's really pretty. Also really easy to color. There's no big crowding, and the lines are pretty thin. Okay, so that was it for this giveaway. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to enter. I need to get rid of these. And there's also a link down below for the Etsy if you wish to buy the other duplicates that I have. Not these. These are going to the winner who wins this giveaway. So good luck to everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next video.